Today's AI foundation tool is artificial intelligence, or AI. Hi there, it's Mike Murphy, and I am on a journey to learn AI for content creation and for running my small business. If you are also on a similar path, well, I invite you to join me so we can learn and explore AI together. This AI Foundation series breaks down 25 must-know AI terms. Each video will be under 3 minutes, and they are going to live in a playlist on my YouTube channel under AI Foundations. AI Foundation number 1. What is artificial intelligence, or AI? AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, so they can reason, learn, and solve problems. What is an example of AI in the real world? Well, if you have an iPhone or similar, think of Siri. Siri listens to your voice, understands your questions, and gives a response, just like a human would. What are some popular tools today that use artificial intelligence? ChatGPT is an AI chat assistant. MidJourney uses AI to generate images and videos. And HeyGen uses AI to generate talking avatar videos. Next up in AI Foundations, what is machine learning? Spoiler, it's a big part of how AI works. So you don't miss a future video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you would like weekly tips and tools about AI delivered to your inbox, sign up for my newsletter, AI Unplugged, link in the description. That is going to do it for this AI Foundations. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.